Hello there, Wade here. This week, I'm not sure what we're going to do. We might get the trailer ready, do the things that we were supposed to do 2 weeks ago. I got to clean out the front storage compartment, and Sharon's got to square away the inside somewhat. And I think maybe we'll grab the boys and go for a little hike at someplace. Something interesting. It'll be fun either way. So come and join us. Spring. I love spring. It's my favorite time of the year. I love the bright colors popping out, the whites, the purples, the yellows, the reds, the oranges, the bright greens, particularly, of the fresh leaves coming out. It seems just like a very fresh time of the year. The only problem with spring is we have maple trees up here in the Northeast, and they produce this fine yellow powder for pollen. It gets everywhere, and including my nasal cavities, and I'm very allergic, I have found, to the maple pollen. So that wreaks havoc on me. But I still like the spring. Sounds like you're taking off in an airplane as you're going through the car wash. Okay, so we're back at Home Depot, but don't worry, we're not here for an appliance.
No, not this time.
We're looking for something to cover the dog ramp. Okay, we found something. This will work, and it'll provide a little place for them to lay down on, too. We've come to the command center. That is the command strip center.
Yes, we have.
Sharon's got to get her hooks.
Now, which size?
Okay, so we've got, what was it, about 5 feet. Okay, there's 5 feet right there, so I could go this length and it will be good. Let's see, the width of this is, okay, I need to measure it here, 13 inches, 13 1/8 inches. So if I make it 13 inches, it'll be perfect.
Oh, that'll be perfect for him. Yep. That'll work just right. Now I just need to fasten this to this end here. So to fasten the AstroTurf or the fake turf onto the ramp, I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to glue with crazy glue the end onto the very tip of the ramp. Then once that sets up, I'm going to drill like 4 holes, put a couple of nuts and screws through there, and tighten that down just to give it added security. So let's give that a shot. Okay, good. This can still fold up nicely. And then we can just wrap this around when we go to put it away. Look at that. Protects it nicely. And then when we go to set it up, just take that out. And it sits there like that. Okay, come on down the ramp. Come on. You can do it. Come on. No, Elsa, that's the wrong way. Come on. Let's try the ramp. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. See, you can do it. Good boy. Okay, come on, your turn. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Elsa. Come on, down the ramp. Come on. You can do it. Come on. It's okay. You can do it. I know you can. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, down the ramp. Elsa, let's go down the ramp.
I'm not using that ramp. I expect you to lift me up into the trailer. I'm the queen.
Come on. Come here. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good boy. There you go. So the other thing I need to do is check my tire pressure, which is supposed to be 65 psi. So let's do that. Now we didn't buy a TPM system, but we have this to at least check it with. All right. Now, these are the Westlakes that came with the trailer. And they're also known as China bombs because they have been known to fail. But I figure I can at least get 2 good seasons out of them before I need to change my tires. So let's plug this in here and see what we got. Oh, 52.5. A little underinflated, I'd say. So the tire pressures on the other 2 wheels were 51 and 50 psi, which is not good. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fill those. Might have to buy a compressor now. So the other thing I want to do is I want to put a couple of command strips along this wall here so that I can hang my level, because it's a real pain in the butt to try to dig it out from underneath things here all the time when we first get to the site. There we are. Yeah. I'm going to get it up here and hang it. Oh, how am I going to do that? I don't know if that's going to work. Okay. Slide out. One of our other preventive maintenance items that I need to do is to spray our slide tracks with slide out silicone lube. That'll help them to stay fresh, keep them from corroding, help it glide in and out a whole lot better. It's just a good preventive maintenance step. Something else I added this season was this external valve for my black tank drain. Now, as you recall, last year I had some issues with the black tank. As a matter of fact, my black tank valve gave out on me. And when I took the cap off, well, we got a whole lot of nastiness coming out of here. Call it a poopsie. So this year I've had this valve installed so that I can just pull this gate out after I've opened the black tank, and then it can go. It'll keep anything from on this side, anything from leaking onto this side where the cap is. So I can take the cap off, it'll be much cleaner without getting anything out. And then when it comes time to actually empty, I can pull those two valves under there, and then I can just pull this valve out and we'll be good to go. Connor keeps climbing in and out of the trailer.
Yeah. So, it's just been a while since I've been in the trailer, so I'm trying to get back into the,
The feeling?
yes, the feeling.
So if you remember, a few weeks ago we were at an antique store out by the fairgrounds, and Sharon picked up these little wreaths here, and for Mother's Day I agreed to hang them. Okay, so where do you want them?
In the bathroom where we kind of talked about,
Okay.
and make them like, I don't want them just straight. We'll make them in a little,
Angles?
yeah.
Okay. Like a V?
I don't know about a V, but
Okay.
we'll pull out, we've got,
No, those are for my
yes,
things.
but
Okay.
we've got,
No, I don't want those. I want these. Yep, that's what I want. Very good. Okay, so Mother, may I put the last one here? Huh?
yes.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Here's the last hook going up. Okay, let's see here. There we go. I think she'll like that. I guess I can turn off the fan now. Happy Mother's Day. I know this is airing a week late, but today it's Mother's Day and we're going to do a barbecue. Actually, we're going to smoke a pork loin. Lots of lighter fluid.
Those flames are really big, Dad.
Brown sugar, barbecue mixture from McCormick's, and Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. A tantalizing taste treat. Who's ready for their vaccine? It's just for putting juice into the meat, you know. Putting apple juice into the meat here. Okay, up to temperature. Now put the meat on. Chris is discussing taking a tree down with his mother.
What he's explaining to me on this tree is that it's an ash tree, and all of the ash trees in New Hampshire have got this bug that's eating them and they're dying. He can see evidence of that in this tree. So the core of the tree is not on our property, but several of the leads are. And those are the parts that we're responsible for.
Okay, how's it looking? Pretty good. Just about there. How's your Mother's Day going?
Going well.
You got a lot of flowers.
I do. They're very pretty.
I gave her these. I like those carnations. That's a 70s thing. Alrighty, let's see how this turned out. Check the burnt end here. Yes, that's good. Yep, that's looking really nice. We're in here at Hannaford's, picking out stuff for the store, for the trailer, the camping trip this weekend. Boy, are we out of practice.
We can't figure out what we want to eat. That's not helpful.
No. One or two? Oh, they only got two. May 26th. May 26th, that's good. Okay. Refrigerator still cold?
Yes.
Here you go. All right, I think we're all packed. We're ready to go. Just need to hitch up the truck and pull out. Shall we go today?
Well, yes, but we have a whole day of work tomorrow to do. So
Oh, we do. That's right.
guess
tomorrow.
we gotta stay.
Yep. So I guess we're going to go on our trip in the next episode. So thanks for watching. We appreciate everybody who's subscribed. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do.
Yes.
And ring that little bell so you know when we upload something. So until next week, we'll see you on the streets.